Action.
Anyway, we are gathered here today to celebrate the joining of two precious souls, Sebastian and Calypso.
Sebastian and
Two lovers in love, truly with love for each other. Sebastian, do you take Calypso to be your lawfully wedded bird wife?
Well, you said so.
To love and to cherish, to groom and to kiss, to be kind to. Lovely then. Calypso, do you take Sebastian to be your bird husband, to love and to cherish, to groom and to peck and to kiss and to love and stuff? Anyway,
I do too. Oh, you said so. I'd be honored.
don't be reluctant.
Get on, hurry up.
Thank you.
Oh.
You may kiss the bride.
Anyway, now for the rings.
Oh yes, the rings are the hard part. They do not like it. Come here. You stick your head on it.
I'll do it.
Birds. I got evil birds.
Here, stick it on it. There we go.
There's
Okay, I got it.
one bird has.
Now they fly away to their honeymoon suite.
Right. Alright, let's light the candles. Hang on. No, wait.
Where's the husband? Where's the husband?
Whatever. Someone get the husband. He doesn't have to have his ring on. Anyway, I'm just going to put her down there.
Put his ring
Put them
on.
both down. He's allergic to grass. Okay, someone get that off of her.
Okay.
Anyway, go sit down, please. Everyone else now. Put the birds here.
Everyone sit down.
Now for the ceremony of the joining of the flames. Two kindred spirits
Chester.
join forever, gathered as one forever and for always. I will now light the candles.
Oh no, they're melting. Okay.
That's what candles do.
Hey,
Yeah, you good.
Jim, the other birds that Chester's supposed to do
No, Lillian.
What horrible thing to happen on your wedding day?
I know, it almost ended in tragedy with
My
one of the
husband
birds
was
eaten by a dog.
My husband was
Almost married. At least she hasn't pooed yet.
This candle represents Calypso, the blue bird, the girl bird, and this one represents Sebastian, the green bird. They will now be joined forever and for always as one.
Look.